Soak it back up.
Okay. Well, I'm getting fucking back regardless.
Yeah, dude, we gotta go way the fuck back this time.
Gotta make sure you hit it though. Right there's good. Okay. Hold on.
I don't see it. I didn't look where you put it.
Hold on.
Okay, I see it.
Let me go with Davis. All right.
You feel me?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
Oh!
Holy fuck!
Woo! Yeah! That was badass.
Holy shit, dude. That was like 30 feet in the air.
Let's get another one.
Look how big the fire is now. It's like all stoked up.
The tent's still there. I told you.
God damn.